So, students, we are going to start with chapter 1, and the chapter 1 is number system. To brief you about what we are going to study in this, let me introduce to the concept of real numbers. Any damn number, any given damn number is a real number. Now, real number can be classified into two categories. One is rational numbers, and other is irrational numbers. These topics we have previously studied. The rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented by p by q form, where q is not equal to 0, and irrational are numbers which cannot be represented by p by q form. Now, moving more into detail of this, if I want to understand the decimal expansion of a number, then decimal expansions of any number can be classified into two types. One is terminating decimals, another is non-terminating decimals. Now, terminating decimals are those decimals which have got an end, and so they are called terminating decimals. The decimals which terminate, decimals whose remainder is 0. After the decimal or before the decimal points are obtained, you will get a remainder as 0. But non-terminating decimals are decimals whose remainder is never 0, and decimals whose remainder are not 0 will never end, because you can take them up to infinite. For example, let me give you an example. अगर आप 2 by 5, if you divide 2 by 5, you will get 0.4. But if you divide 1 by 3, so you will get 0.33 dash dash dash. So these are called non-terminating decimals. These are called terminating decimals at, because at some place after decimal or before decimal, they will end. Its remainder will be 0. Now, terminating decimals can be again of two types. Either they are recurring or non-recurring. So recurring means the decimals which repeat themselves. See here, like this one, 0.3 bar. So 3 is repeating itself. Suppose I write 0.123 bar. 1 2. So what will this mean? This will mean 0.123 123 123 dash dash dash. So this kind of decimals are called recurring decimals, or you can say they are repeating decimals. But non-recurring decimals are non-repeating. Like Suppose I write 0.12345129876, whatever. We won't get any particular set of number or a particular number repeating. So that is called non-repeating decimal. Now the most important part of this explanation resides here. Suppose a decimal is terminating or non-terminating but repeating or recurring, then they fall under the category of rational numbers. If they are non-terminating, non-recurring, non-repeating, then such decimal will fall under irrational numbers. So you should be very clear with all this. Now let me give you a small exercise for you to identify that which kind of decimals are they. I'll give you some numbers, some decimals. You have to first judge it by yourself. Pause the video, judge it by yourself. Which one is recurring, which one is non-recurring, which is terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal, and then give your answer. Okay. Okay, students. Here I have written a few numbers, six different types of number I have written. Though the digits I have taken same. So here are they: 0.425, 0.425 bar, 0.542555, 0.425 bar, 0.42568793 dash dash dash, 0.425425 dash dash dash. So first you have to say which type of decimal it is. So we studied about three types. First is terminating, second is non-terminating repeating, and third is non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, and whether it is a rational number or an irrational number. So the first one is, as you can say, first you write the questions in your notebook and you fill in this part and then you cross verify. So pause your video here, fill up your page first and then you check the answers. Okay, so I'll start the answers. See here it is 0.425. So here dash 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 dot 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 is not there. So it is a, neither the bar is there. Now this bar represents that this number is repeated infinite times. So here bar is not there and it is not ending. Sorry, it is ending. So it is terminating decimal. So if it is terminating, then it has to be rational. Now you see this 0.425 bar. 25 5 के ऊपर बार है means 5 is repeated infinite times. Infinite times. So it is non-terminating repeating. So again non-terminating repeating is rational number. 0.425555. Now this and this are same. These are two different ways of writing the same thing. 0.425 के ऊपर बार, 0.42555. These both are same. 5 के ऊपर bar means the 5 goes on. So it is non-terminating repeating. So it is again rational number. 0.425 bar. 25 bar means 25252525. So again non-terminating repeating. Again it is a rational number. 0.4256786792 dash dash dash. तो सबसे पहले डैश 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 है तो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. अब देखिए कोई भी पार्ट इसका रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है या कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. अब आप बोलेंगे नहीं सर 7 2 बार आ गया, 2 2 बार आ गया, रिपीट वैसे रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए। रिपीट मीन्स जैसे ये 5 5 5 5 5 5 है तो फिर 5 ही रिपीट हो रहा है। यहाँ पे 2 5 है तो 2 5 2 5 2 5 2 5 2 5 2 5, फिर बीच में 4 3 नहीं आ सकता कहीं ऐसे। सो इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिपीटिंग. So if non-terminating, non-repeating, it will be irrational number. Here 4 to 5 4 to 5 4 to 5 dash 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 है तो non terminating तो हो ही गया। अब देखिए 4 to 5 4 to 5 4 to 5 रिपीट हो रहा है तो ये रिपीटिंग हुआ, तो ये रेशनल हो गया। तो इस तरह से आपको ऐसे कोई भी नंबर आप लिख सकते हैं और आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। मैं एक चीज आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा, आप अपने हिसाब से 5 रेशनल नंबर्स जो टर्मिनेटिंग हो वैसे 5, जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग हो ऐसे 5, और इरेशनल नंबर जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग हो ऐसे 5 नंबर आप खुद से लिखिए, खुद से ट्राई कीजिए बनाने की या खुद से लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए, चेक करवाइए अपने दोस्तों के साथ अगर सही है या नहीं। तो इस वीडियो को हम यहीं तक रखते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 1.1 से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू।